Okay guys, so we came to you in the last video, pointed out the temperature on the coolant line and the temperature of the engine, and asked to leave in the comments what you thought it might be. This is a 17 Ford Explorer, no heat, no heat on the inside of the car. What it turned out to be was actually the thermostat, which sits down in there. So we swapped it with a new thermostat and filled up the coolant appropriately. And now she's warmed up to temp. I don't have my heat gun with me, but we have hot heat, so we're good to go. And that's all it was. So thankfully, it was overheating a little bit earlier, but we were awfully low on coolant, so ended up filling that up and we were good to go. So that was what it was, guys. If you've got a no heat issue, a couple things that it can be is the blend door actuator, which these Explorers have one down there and then one behind that glove box. We could hear the blend door actuator coming on. So I'm just key on now, and I just got the heat on, but I'm going to let you guys listen to this for a minute. This is the sound of the blend door actuator actuating, and I'm just turning it from hot to cold. You can hear that door. Rotate over. So it's essentially just rotating a door to go from hot to cold on the HVAC system in these cars. And like I said, there's one down there and there's one there. So if it ends up not being your thermostat, then it could be the blend door actuator. And if it's none of those, it's usually the heater core, or you've got some junk inside the lines that needs to be flushed. You can do that through a coolant flush. But this ended up being a fairly easy fix, just being the thermostat. And thankfully these on the Explorers are right on top. So I'll show you guys one more time where that is. It's a simple fix. Just got to take the intake off itself, and it's right below there. It's literally right in there. It's 2 bolts, and that's it. All right, guys, have a good one. Okay, guys, so here's the original thermostat itself. I'm just throwing some heat on it. That's definitely up to temp already because I got a lot of heat right on it. And you can see, I'm trying to get this down. You can see this, that back plate. Let me shut this off. We're hot temp, well over temp, and that back plate is not moving, so it's seized up in there. This thermostat's obviously bad, so this was just getting stuck. I think it hung up on her as to why it wasn't working. But that black ring in there, inside this outer ring, is supposed to be coming down when this thermostat gets to temp, which these are, one we bought to replace it was 180 degree thermostat, so this one was probably somewhat similar. It's starting to move now, as you guys can see, but I think it's on and off. It's seized up. Some more heat on it here. Yeah, it's starting to come out now. A lot of debris though, and give you guys a shot of this here without burning my hand off. You see a lot of junk in there, a lot of debris that would cause this to get hung up on there when it gets hot and stuck and not wanting to open like that. So that was definitely the problem, because now we're at temp and we're cooling off appropriately, and of course she's got heat again, so problem solved. All right, guys, have a good one.